staff and I are dismayed and disgusted by what happened last Friday afternoon. We can't comprehend how such despicable actions could be carried out on those in prayer at their place of worship. I've informed the police that Gun City sold the alleged gunman 4 A-category firearms and ammunition. All Gun City sales to this individual followed a police-verified online mail order process. Gun City did not sell him an MSSA, only A-category firearms. No, there's been a lot of talk about panic buying, and it's a lie. And there's been a number of people wanting to sell their semi-automatic firearms as a result of the incident. So he obtained his licence in November 2017, and he made his first purchase from us about a month later, and I believe his last purchase was in March 2008.